kidding. I'm done. I'm done with Ford. I'm gonna show you why right now. This is some fucking bullshit. I just noticed this. I'm fucking pissed. So let's take a look at the hood rear real quick. Look at that awesomeness right there. Yeah. Now this isn't only happening on my car. This is happening on the 2014 as well. It's only a couple months out. Yeah, you think Ford's gonna cover it? No, they're not gonna cover it. I know it's a little dirty, but let's see. Oh yeah, nice big paint bubble right there too. Oh, you can hear it. Look. Look at that. The whole fucking thing's about ready to fall off. Oh, let's go back here now. Oh yeah, look, a little bit more of it right there. Tell you what, man. Ford can suck my nuts.